Welcome to Transition to Life Cleaning House. Today we're going to learn how to change the sheets. When I come down here to put my contour sheet on, here or on any corner, I make sure that the corner of the mattress here matches up with my corner seam. If I pull it all the way down, then it just folds underneath and it has a nice edge to it. Hello, welcome to Transition to Life. Today we're going to learn how to make microwave oatmeal. If you haven't already looked at the video on microwave safety, please do that now. Otherwise, let's get started. Before I came in the kitchen, the first thing I did was wash my hands. Make sure your hands are clean before you start to cook. The next thing I did was set up my supplies. In this case, a bowl, a spoon, and a measuring cup for my oatmeal.